This next one was not from the 4th of July, but from New Year's 2024, and it was an amazing drone shows with I can't even tell you how many drones. Count the lights. There are well over 1,000, maybe well over 2,000 or 3,000. It's incredible. But this was a New Year's 2024 drone show put on in South Korea. And if drone shows are old news for you now, well, I've got some new hotness for you as well. If you're in the Las Vegas area, you can always catch the 4th of July at the Vegas Sphere. And happening in this week's what happens when you fly a drone through a traditional 4th of July fireworks celebration. It's pretty wild. Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we need to feature on the program, shoot me an email, djraymcneil@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook at Your Weekly Tech Update, and check out the podcast. Audio and video versions available on Google, iTunes, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. Till next time, I'm Ray McNeil. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. And now, here's your moment of joy.
어디?他的毛扇扇的，是吧？一扇一扇的。不用对他也不什么。
Your weekly tech update brought to you by Holiday Home Care, Phillip Island, Victoria, Australia. It's your turn to relax. Before you get on holiday on the island, contact Holiday Home Care. We can set up your residence or holiday rental, do the shopping for you, provide linen and towels, and make sure it's all ready by the time you get here, giving you more time to enjoy what Phillip Island has to offer. For more information, visit holidayhomecarepi.com or email holidayhomecarepi@gmail.com.